And what you see right now, it's Pele's hair. It looks like a broom literally coming from the trees, and it's currently red. And this is the old road to the crater, old crater hike, and then it's a perfect view of the volcano right before she erupts. It's so beautiful. There is these white birds that fly right on top of volcano as soon as before she erupts. So this is right before the eruption. And this is Pele in its beauty, true beauty at night erupting. So gorgeous. You could see different figures. She's starting. It looks like a little fire coming up, and it's one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. So pretty. But it's so magical to be able to stay right on the edge of a volcano while it's erupting.